Hi, hello and welcome to MathFin. In this video, we are going to discuss about the previous year questions from the sets chapter. So whatever the questions we got in the previous year in the Polyset exams, we will discuss in this video. By doing the previous year questions, we can know how the question is going to given, what type of questions are going to given in the chapters. So we can know it based on the previous year questions. We can prepare according to that way. So let's see the first question. Begin with 2015 year. So what are the questions we got in the year 2015 the Polyset from the sets chapter? Let's see here. So in the year 2015 we got 3 questions, means 3 marks. First question is, if n of a equal to 5, n of b equals to 5 and n of a union b equals to 8, then find n of a intersection b. What is meant by n of a? N of a means the number of elements in the set A, means the cardinal number of set A. N of A is 5, N of B is 5, N of A union B is 8, and asking to find N of A intersection B. So what is the relation between these all the cardinal numbers? We learned in the previous videos, that is N of A plus N of B equal to N of A union B plus N of A intersection B. So let us substitute that all the values in this relation. N of A is 5. So here we got 5 plus N of B is also 5 plus 5 equal N of A union B 8 plus N of A intersection B. So 5 plus 5 10. So when we transfer it become as minus. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So N of A intersection B is 2. What is the correct option here? Option 1 is 2, option 2 is 3, option 3 is 1 and option 4 is none. So option 1, 2 is the correct answer. Second question. If A equals to X such that X belongs to N, N means X is a natural number, but 1 less than X less than 10. So our X is greater than the 1 and less than the 10. So in between 1 to 10. So what are the numbers are there in between 1 to 10? What are the numbers at 1 to 10? So here we don't take the 1 because he did not give an equal to. If we given 1 less than or equals to X, so we can take 1. But the X value should be greater than the 1. So don't take 1. So the values are here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9 only. Because here he said X should be less than the 10. So up to 9. So these are the elements in the set A. So what is asking that N of A, the number of elements of set A, cardinal number of A. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the given option 1 is 3, option 2 is 4, option 3 is 8. So this 8 is the correct answer. See the third question. Identify the disjoint sets among the following. So we need to identify the disjoint set. What is meant by disjoint? The sets which have no common elements, right? So but here did not given sets, given some relation. Here is set A minus B, B minus A. Are the disjoint sets? Let us do it by an example. So first take any set A as A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and take set B as 4, 5 and 6. So now let's do A minus B. So what is meant by A minus B? So A minus B nothing but so from the set A and from set B. If you remove these, if you take the common elements 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 is left. So 6 is not there. 6 is left here. So what we get A minus B? After removing the common elements, we have to write the elements which are in the set A. What are there? 1, 2, 3. So A minus B is 1, 2, 3. Done. The next B minus A. So after removing the common elements, what are those elements are left in the set B? 6. So 6. So are the disjoint sets? Yes, because there is no common element in the set A minus B and B minus A, right? So the first option is correct. But check the remaining options also. A minus B and A. So A minus B, A. So are there any common elements? Yes. In the third option, B minus A and B. B minus A we got 6 and B is 4, 5, 6. 6 is the common element. So obviously option 1 is the correct answer. Now let's see the questions which we got in the 2016 Polyset exam. So in the year 2016 we got 3 questions, 3 marks. So first question is, if A subset B, comma B subset C, then A intersection B union C equal to what? Options pi A B C. So for these type of problems, better we have to take some example of the sets. So what you said, A subset of B. So A is the part of the B. B is here, B is the superset. So A is the part of B. So that's why I am taking B as 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is the part of this set. So I am taking A as 1, 2. And B is the subset of C. So again here C is the superset. So B is the part of C. So let's take C, some bigger set like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these sets are satisfy this condition. A is subset of B and C is and B is subset of C. Then what asks for A intersection B? What we get when we do A intersection B here? A intersection B means the common elements in set A and set B. What is common here? 1, 2. So A intersection B is 1, 2. Union C. So now combine this with the C elements. What are the C elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by joining these all the sets, by combining these all the elements, what we will get? So 1, 1, 2 times repeated, so write 1 time. 2, 2, 2 times repeated, write 1 time. 3, 4, 5. So what set we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing but C set, right? So the option is 4 because set C. Got it? Next, second question. If A equals to X such that X belongs to N, X is a natural number, comma, 3 less than or equals to X less than or equals to 6. So X value should be equal to 3 or greater than 3 and equal to 6 or less than 6. Asking what would be that set. So take these conditions. What are they? 3 less than or equals to X less than or equal to 6. So X should be equal to 3. So it starts from 3 and it should be greater than the 3. Up to take we can take 4, 5, but and also X should be less than the 6. Less than or equal to 6. So we can take 6 also. This is the set A. 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it there in the options? 3, 4, 5, 6. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. If A equals to X such that X is an even natural number less than 12. Even natural number less than 12. And B equals to X such that X is a prime number less than 12. It is a prime and it is less than 12. Then A intersection B. First let's write these sets. So what is the A here? Even number and less than 12. So let us write the even numbers which are less than 12. So it starts from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's it. Next, set B. Prime number less than 12. So what are the prime numbers less than 12? The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. So asking A intersection B. Intersection means what? The common elements. What are the common elements are here? 2. Okay, still only 2 is the common, right? So the answer is, the set is 2. Option 1 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Option 2 is 2, 4, 5, 7. Option 3 is 5 and option 4 is set 2. So fourth option is correct. In 2017, we got 3 questions from the sets chapter. Let's see what are that question. The first question is, if A and B are 2 sets, A and B are any 2 sets, then A minus B intersection B minus A equals to what? Is it A, B, A and B or pi? So A and B is not possible. Let's see. So let us solve this by taking an example. Let us take set A as our wish. I am taking as 1, 2, 3 and set B as 2, 3. So first let's find A minus B. So what we will get after doing A minus B? A minus B means by removing the common elements. So write the elements what are left in the set A. Only one is left. Okay. One is left. Next, let's do B minus A. B minus A, it means by removing the common elements, the first B is there, no? So write the elements which are left in set B. Nothing is left, so it is empty set. So what we will get by doing the intersection of these two sets? So 1 intersection empty set. What is the common in these two? Nothing, right? So the set pi is the correct answer. Second question. The following Venn diagram represented by C. So here he given one Venn diagram. We need to find the set C. So these all are the options are given sets. We need to find the set C. Simply, so what are the elements are out of the set C? Remove it. That's enough. So this is set C, right? So out of the set C, just remove it. So remove this 1, 2, 3. So what are the elements are in the boundary of C? It is 4, 5, 6, 7. So the set C is 4, 5, 6, 7. Option 3. Third question is, the shaded area in the figure is dash. So he given one figure, the Venn diagram. We need to find what is the area of the shaded part. Options are A intersection B union C, A intersection B intersection C, A union B intersection C, and A union B union C. So first let's take A. So what is the relation of set A with B and C? If you see set A and B, so remove, forget this part. A and B both are in intersection, right? Right. Next, if you forgot about this set B, so this set A and C, these also are in the intersection, right? So the first point is A intersection. So A intersection. So what would be that option? Either it may be 1 or it may be 2. So A is in the intersection of. Now let's see the relation of B and C. So for relation of B and C, let's forget about the set C. Forget this set C. How the B and C are related? Are they in intersection or they are in union? So if they are in intersection, means this total part has to shade. It is not shaded. It means it is in union. So A intersection B union C. The first option is correct. Let's see what the questions we got in year 2018 from the sets chapter. In 2018 we got 2 questions, means 2 marks from the sets chapter. First question is from the Venn diagram B minus A. So he given some Venn diagram. From the diagram we need to find the B minus A value. So B minus A, so difference of the sets. So in the set A the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B the elements are 4, 5, 6, 7. This 4, 5 is the common for both the set A and set B. So he given options are one option A 1, 2, 3, option B 6, 7, option C 4, 5, and option D none. How to find the B minus A? Simply what to do? So from the set B and from the set A, remove the common elements. Then after the first term is B, right? So what are the elements are left in the set B? We need to write that. So here now we need to shade the only B part, not complete B part, by removing the common points, by removing the common elements, remaining part we need to shade. So this part we have to shade. So this is the B. So what are the elements are there in the B? 6, 7. So the option B is correct here, 6 and 7. Second question. If A equal to A, B, C, D, the 4 elements are there, then the number of subsets. How to find the number of subsets? Using the formula 2 power n. 2 power n. So n is the number of elements. So how many elements are here? 4. So n value is 4. So 2 power 4. What is the 2 power 4 value? 2 to the 4, 4 to 8, 8 to the 16. So the number of subsets are 16. So it has 16 subsets. So let's see what are the questions we got in the year 2019. So in the year 2019 we got only 2 questions, 2 marks. The first question is the cardinal number of A equals to 1 to 4 is dash. What is mean by cardinal number? Cardinal number means the number of elements in the set. How many elements are here? 1, 2, 3. So n of A is equals to 3. Which option is option 3 is 3. So 3. Next question. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B equals 4, 5, 6. Then A intersection B. What is meant by intersection? Intersection means the common elements. So what are the elements that are common in set A and set B? 4. Okay, 4 is common. And 5 is also common. That's it. 4 and 5 is common. So intersection B is 4, 5. Option 2 is correct. Now let us see what are the questions we got from the sets chapter in the last year, in the year 2020. In 2020 we got 2 questions from the sets chapter. The first question is A equals to P O L Y T E C H N I Q, like Polytechnic. And B is P O L Y C E T 2020, Polyset 2020. 2 sets are given, asking find B minus A, difference of the sets. How to find the difference of the set? First we need to remove the common elements. So what are the common elements in these 2 sets? P is the common, O, L, Y, and C is also common, E is common, T is common. That's it. B minus A. So first term is set B, right? So after removing the common elements, we have to write the remaining elements of set B. What are left in set B? Only 2020 is left. So in the option B, second option has 2020. So second option is correct. Next question. If A equals to set A, the small a, B equal to AB, C equals to ABC, then find A intersection B intersection C. Everything is intersection, intersection, intersection. Intersection means the common elements. So what is the common element of 3 sets? Among the 3 sets, A. So this A is the common in the 3 sets, right? So the answer is obviously set A. So which option have set A? Option 1. So set A is the correct answer. By observing the previous year questions, so we can expect that mainly the questions from the set chapter is asking from these topics. Subset, finding the subset and number of subsets, basic operation, the 3 basic operations for sets, union, intersection and difference, Venn diagrams, and cardinal number and the relation between the cardinal numbers, n of A, n of B, n of A union B, n of A intersection B. So perfect in these 4 topics, then you compulsory you will do this question whatever will come from the sets chapter. So that's all about the sets chapter for the polyset. Next we will discuss about the polynomials chapter. So we will do the polynomial chapter problems, and also same way whatever we done in the sets chapter by part wise, and finally we can do the previous questions from the polynomials chapter. So share our channel to your friends. Stay connected with Mathway.